Welcome back to this channel right here where
Wonderful things happen.
wonderful things happen. And why would you go to a channel with one famous YouTuber when you can have two on the same show?
What channel's that?
3.3, the one they do the weather for 20 hours a day. The other 4 hours they don't. They
Run
do anything.
infomercials.
Yeah, they run QVC from 1993.
Oh,
Make people call in and they don't get their items. What would you get at a gas station?
what I get? Snickers ice cream bar.
Gas, Greg. Fuel for my vehicle. This is not a real Slurpee, believe it or not.
I thought all Slurpees came in nice plastic
They did.
cases hanging up on the shelf.
We have a kind of a cool collaboration from 7-Eleven made by MyArcade. It's a Tetris collab with 7-Eleven. So it's a little handheld, fully playable Slurpee, essentially. It's the shape of one. I got my hands on one. I was kind of upset because when they announced this thing, the scalpers came out in droves, let's just say, and it was sold out within like a few minutes. And of course, then, they're selling on eBay for, I think it was $124 or something. So
just message us if you want this for 100.
this kind of stuff, some people genuinely want to collect, and it just looked like it went all to people trying to make profit. So recently they actually re-released it on the site. I don't know how many they put out there. It was gone pretty quick as well, but I managed to get one. It cost $30, and thought we could show it off. I have not opened it, so you're here for the reveal. Possibly I can do this. Well, you act like you can do stickers so fast.
It's only been
I hope it hurts. I hope
30
it pulls
minutes.
your arm hair off when. All right. Try not to destroy the container.
yeah. 'Cause
case I wanna make $130
then we can't sell it for $100 once you.
So it is battery powered. Is also USB-C.
Did you bring batteries?
Nope, I didn't bring either. That's why I'm at your house.
Oh, man.
So
let me get us a little bit organized.
I'm just showing off the box a little bit here while he's looking for a USB-C cable. Like I said, Tetris, fully playable, has a glowing top. Pretty cool little casing. You've got your Tetris blocks over here. On the back, it has a features area where it says officially licensed. That's always good. Fully playable, 1.8-inch full color screen, powered by 3 AAA or USB-C cable, and they give a little game history on Tetris with a screenshot. That's pretty much it for the packaging. Very, very lightweight. You've got the ultra satisfactory peel off. I didn't let you do it this time because you had 2 last time. Use high quality alkaline batteries for longer playing time.
Or just keep it plugged in. That's probably longer playing time than battery.
Yeah. All right, here we go.
Watch us fry it.
Ooh, look
Oh, it glows.
at it's cherry.
Oh yeah!
It changes colors.
Uh-huh. So that's cool. It's an around the world Slurpee.
And we got a power button.
Nice.
Volume. Music on. I'm not sure what the volume button. Do I? There you go.
Start. Go ahead.
Let's see. No, volume's just. Okay, must
Oh,
have different
so it's
volume levels.
Color's not bad. It's a little hard to read the words.
Yeah, I mean, the screen, I mean, it's not super high res.
Oh, look, we have a poster. With all the MyArcade handhelds. This one's not on there.
Probably because they can't probably can't easily buy it.
Volume star LED light button. What's that other one? Does that turn it off?
Yeah, you hold it for a second, it'll turn it on and off.
Yeah, hold it for 3 seconds to enable it. Color shifting.
And
then back on.
That button shouldn't even be there. Shouldn't turn off the LED lights. That's stupid on this. You gotta have.
Maybe you're on your last pack of batteries.
It saves you probably like 3 seconds. I bet.
I mean,
it's probably 2 little lights in there.
There's a power port, battery cover, on-off switch, action buttons, and directional pad. Outside that, they don't really talk about anything, any specs on here, just warranty info. And so I don't know what the resolution is on it, but I mean, it's what you would expect. It's not high end. I mean, it's a complete gimmick. Kind of a cool one though. It's I don't even think you'd want to sit there that long and play it on something like that because how to grip it. But
no, it's got like this soft rubber silicone directional pad and kind of more regular buttons. I mean, it's a cool little. It's definitely a cool little device.
It's a display piece. It's one of those just you look back in 20 years and be like, they made what?
And the graphics are nice. It's
as nice as Tetris can be.
Yeah, look, the graphics on the cup. Tetris can look nicer than this.
I was gonna say, I thought he was just being real positive today.
No,
the graphics are so pretty.
I mean, the graphics are
sound actually pretty loud.
There may be Game Boy level graphics,
but they're darn good Game Boy level
it's
graphics.
Tetris. I mean, I honestly think my score says 978.
Yeah, and you don't get a good view from the side, like right here. It's kind of washed out completely, but
yeah, I mean, it's super clean. Like I said, it's lightweight. It's cool for sure. It's really not super uncomfortable to hold and play. Not a huge Tetris guy, so I don't think I'd be running like 800 rounds on this or anything. But
yeah, it's not worth $130 for those of you out there.
No,
don't buy it from the scalpers
unless you have a Tetris room or something weird. Then I mean, if you like Tetris that much, then there's other problems.
A little bit closer. Let me see.
I
kind of like that. Like he was saying, the directional pad is kind of rubbery. I kind of like it.
Yeah, no, the buttons definitely feel nice.
Yeah. Well, it's, I mean, MyArcade, hopefully they've got that down by now. So I don't feel that they cut corners. I mean, it's incredibly light. I mean, it's not much heavier than an empty Slurpee cup, frankly.
I'd be curious if people have hacked it and put extra games on there. You play Mario on there.
Karnov on here.
Yeah. See, there you go. That'd be cool.
My Slurpee cup. Put that in your pocket and pull it out of the bus station.
Yeah. Start playing old Game Boy games and stuff on there. It could be.
That's actually intriguing.
Because it can't be a different. I don't know about MyArcades if they've been hacked or anything yet, but it can't be a different chipset than the other MyArcades.
I was thinking that was soft, but it's really not. It's just got a little bit of it's a little bit of give, kind of a textured plastic and then slippery. So yeah,
it's
complete
cool.
Nostalgia here. Just a fun little display device. Show your friends, let them try it, and that's it. So
yeah, if it wasn't a Slurpee cup, I would say reboot it for $30.
Yeah, like what are you doing? Why are you putting Tetris in my cup?
Because you can get those little Tetris games, for like $10-15. But since it isn't a Slurpee cup and it changes LEDs on the top of Slurpee cup, I'd unpack it.
Yeah, good job, 7-Eleven.
It's a cool little thing.
I mean, it's from their website. When we post this, who knows if it'll be out again or not. Like I said, they didn't say the last time how many more, which is probably for the best. I want to say it was like 30,000 or something crazy. The first
$30,000 to buy it from us.
No, units.
Yeah.
But I would sell this to you for 30,000. Yeah. But they have a lot of other crazy 7-Eleven stuff, so it kind of fits their whole motif on their site. Wild shirts from back in the day, Hawaiian shirts, and
And I really hope
You know.
Whataburger or Sonic does a Burger Time one now.
Yeah. You hear that, Whataburger? We're here. We'd love to test it.
Because they like to sell crazy stuff.
We'll check it out always. 7-Eleven, MyArcade, Tetris, 3 cool things from the past. And, you know, and from now, I guess. It's not like it's a Radio Shack cup.
Yeah.
That'd be weird anyway. Did they even have Radio Shack cups? Maybe they'll do that.
Maybe they'd still be around if they sold cups. I mean,
They would be.
if they sold Stanley cups, they'd still be here.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you got one, cool.
Yeah.
Don't buy it from scalpers.
No, they're bad.
It's not worth it even as a display piece. Like I said, unless you have a Tetris room or a 7-Eleven room.
Right.
Oh.
Right. Then I get it. You got to get it. Even the $30 is probably questionable, I would think.
I wouldn't go more than $30 for one of these.
Yeah, yeah. $19.99 would have been probably the sweet spot. I'd unpack it. He'd unpack it.
Yeah, I'll unpack it as long as no more than $30.
Yeah. There you go. Like, subscribe, and we'll try to get some more weird collaborations if we can, and we don't have to spend a fortune.
Yeah, and just send me offers, and I'll steal the cup from them and mail it to the highest bidder.
Or that. See ya.